Welcome to the beautiful BLU Ocean.
I love swimming in the BLU water. Splash! Look at my water fountain.
Today, let's learn the color BLUU.
Oh no, the water is going away fast. It is low tide.
Uh-oh, I cannot swim. The water is gone. I am too heavy to move. Squawk! I will get help.
BLU alert. Ocean emergency.
Blue alert! That is my color. A blue whale is stuck on the beach. A whale? Whales need lots of water. Blaze Red will bring water cannons.
Whales are very heavy. Dozer Gold will dig a path for the water.
Arrow Pink will guide Ranger Blue from the sky.
Ranger Blue, Blaze Red, Dozer Gold, Arrow Pink. Let's roll out. Cruiser Blue is ready for action. Ranger Blue drives the BLUE police cruiser. Truck Red engines on. Dozer Yellow is ready to push sand.
Copter Pink flying high.
Stay close, Dozer Gold. Blaze Red needs Dozer Yellow to dig.
Arrow Pink sees the beach. Blue Whale Baby is not moving.
Sand is soft, but the tracks of Dozer Yellow are strong. Hold on, little whale. Ranger Blue is here to help.
I am so hot. I need water.
Water cannons ready. Blaze Red will cool Blue Whale Baby down. Splash! Cool, fresh water.
That feels so much better. Thank you, Blaze Red.
Blue Whale Baby is safe for now, but Blue Whale Baby is too heavy to lift. We must bring the ocean to Blue Whale Baby. Dozer Gold. Dozer Gold needs to dig a deep river to the water. Dozer Gold will dig the biggest sand channel ever. Pushing sand, making a river.
Keep digging, Dozer Gold. Dozer Yellow is almost at the water.
Maximum power. Pushing the last sand wall.
The wall is broken. The water is coming.
The BLUE ocean water flows into the trench.
It is so cool and nice. The ocean is back.
My job is done. The ocean will do the rest.
I am floating, but I cannot move forward. I am stuck in the sand.
Blue whale baby needs a push. Dozer Gold, come help Ranger Blue. Bulldog strength ready. Let's push.
1, 2, 3. Push!
Whee! I am swimming!
Blue whale baby is back in the deep BLUC.
Thank you, Ranger Blue. Thank you, Dozer Gold. Thank you, Blaze Red. Thank you, Arrow Pink.
That was a great rescue. Did you see all the BLUE things today?
My tactical vest is BLU. BLUE. BLUU. And Cruiser Blue is shiny. And BLUE too. Is a fast BLUE car.
Blue whale baby is BLUU. And the whole ocean is BLU.
Blue is a cool, calming color, like the ocean water.
Look, Blaze Red found a BLUU beach bucket.
And here is a tiny BLU starfish.
And look way up high. The sky is BLUU too.
Blue uniform, BLU car, BLU ocean, BLU whale, BLU bucket, BLU starfish, blue sky. So much BLUU. Goodbye, BLU Ocean.
Hero Rescue Team! We love colors!
What is hiding in the yellow flowers?
Peep. Where is my mama? I am lost in the yellow forest.
That is my color. Yellow O is for sunshine.
Dozer Yellow is ready to search.
Join the Yellow Rescue next time.
See you next time.